Welcome back to the Aussie Prepper channel, and let's have a look what we've got today. There we go, we've got the Caldwell Ballistic Precision Chronograph. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but that's what we've got there. I have actually wanted one of these for probably about 30 years, or 25 or 30 years. However, these used to be really expensive and out of my reach. Or look, I've found it hard to justify spending the money. But look, technology has come down in price quite a lot. I mean, a big screen TV used to be $20,000, and now you can pick one up for, $600 at Aldi. And pretty much the same thing with these, okay? They have come down in price a lot and they've become quite affordable. And as you saw in my last video, I'm having some issues trying to sort out my firearms. And I'm done with it. I just want it done once and for all. And now this thing will give me the exact ballistics of any round that I'm using currently. And therefore I'll be able to then calculate my bullet path and all that sort of stuff. And it also works, as it shows you there, for various other things: compound bows, crossbows, sporting rifles, pistols, paintball, nerf guns, anything you want really. This should be able to give you a reading. You can also use an app on your phone, or you can just go with the readout that it gives you on the actual device right there. Now I do believe it comes with a cable as shown there, and there's just a bit of a look at what the app possibly looks like. And look, I'm not too worried about the app. I really just want to get the actual readings. I'll be happy with that. And down the line I might try the app. Now I believe you do need the little original Apple dongle cable to make this work with this device. Now I might try and get this app going for you guys as well, just so you can see how well it works, because it does give you a lot of information here, I believe. It says here, calculate your group size by taking a photo of your target, preset and customizable bullet characteristics, ambient temperature, barometric pressure, displays kinetic energy or power factor, and a number of other things. So it does look really interesting. It does say on the back here, factory calibrated to within 0.25% accuracy. Simple operation with your LCD screen, which is what I was really just interested in. It does have a meter per second and feet per second reading. And that's it. Look, let's just open it up and get it out so we can have a look at it. Now, it also runs off a 9-volt battery. And I did buy some 9-volt batteries just to make sure we can use this today. So let's see what we've got here. Ooh. Okay, so we've got the sunshade with the steel rods there. And there's another one here. Instruction booklet. And there's the actual device. A little carry storage bag for it, and the cable that I spoke of earlier, and that's that. It's just got your standard connections on the cable, so you will need an adapter if you're using an iPhone. The storage bag will be handy to store your device in, and that's it there. Looks pretty good. This is where your cable plugs in. That's your LCD readout, and there's your setting, which is off, and I think that is meters per second right there, and feet per second right there, and off. So look, it looks like it is really simple to operate. And on the bottom there is where your battery goes, and it's got a standard mount there for a tripod. Now I've got plenty of these tripods that I use, and that looks like it just attaches straight to my tripod. There you go. That easy. Okay, now you can also, I believe, spend a little bit more money and buy a deluxe kit, which does come with a tripod and a few other accessories. But look, I've got no need for that. I really just want to be able to get some feet or meter per second readings for all the bullets that I'm using for my air rifles. And then look, I just want to play with it a bit, using it with my bow and arrow, etc, etc. So let's put this together. There you go. All set up, ready to go. Let's put a battery in it. Okay, we've got a battery in it. Let's just turn it on. And there it goes. It should be ready to use now. So there's the unboxing video. This is what you get in your kit. You also get the instruction book and the bag. Okay, that's your basic kit. Now if you want to watch the actual testing of this and see this thing in action and see it working, just click onto the next video after this one to see how well this works. Now in the meantime, if you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to see the review video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Aussie Prepper. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.